Hello, you're on the Space Dating News channel. The Artemis I mission launch day will depend on the alignment of the Earth and Moon, along with several criteria for rocket and spacecraft performance. To determine potential launch dates, engineers identified key constraints required to accomplish the mission and keep the spacecraft safe. The resulting launch periods are the days or week where the spacecraft and rocket can meet mission objectives. These launch periods account for the complex orbital mechanics. This results in a pattern of approximately 2 weeks of launch opportunities, followed by 2 weeks without launch opportunities. There are 4 primary parameters that dictate launch availability within this period. These key constraints are unique to the Artemis I mission, and future launch availability beyond this flight will be determined based on capabilities and trajectories unique to each mission. The launch day must account for the Moon's position in its lunar cycle so that the Space Launch System rocket's upper stage can time the trans-lunar injection burn with enough performance to successfully intercept the on-ramp for the lunar distant retrograde orbit. The more powerful exploration upper stage on future configurations of the rocket will enable nearly daily launch opportunities to the Moon depending on the orbit desired. The resultant trajectory for a given day must ensure Orion is not in darkness for more than 90 minutes at a time, so that the solar array wings can receive and convert sunlight to electricity and the spacecraft can maintain an optimal temperature range. Mission planners eliminate potential launch dates that would send Orion into extended eclipses during the flight. The launch date must support a trajectory that allows for the skip entry technique planned during Orion's return to Earth. A skip entry is a maneuver in which the spacecraft dips into the upper part of Earth's atmosphere and uses that atmosphere, along with the lift of the capsule, to simultaneously slow down and skip back out of the atmosphere, then re-enter for final descent and splashdown. The launch date must support daylight conditions for Orion's splashdown to initially assist recovery personnel when they locate, secure, and retrieve the spacecraft for the Pacific Ocean. NASA's team calculated the periods of launch availability through the end of 2022, and the first period includes 13 launch opportunities between July 26 and August 10. So, if the final wet dress rehearsal test of the Space Launch System rocket and Orion spacecraft will be successful, launch of the Artemis I mission can be expected in 2 months. Space Daily News with Julia. Stay tuned!